guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayan the Savage here, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make the ultimate TNT cannon in Minecraft. This works for 1.16, the Nether update. So let's get started. Alright, so you'll need a dispenser for this. You'll need some water bucket. You need any type of pressure plate, any block of your choice. Then we're going to need a redstone repeater, and we're going to need some redstone, also a lever. Alright, so for step 1 we're going to place down the dispensers. Do it in the order that I show you. 3 dispensers. You'll have to crouch to put dispensers on top of the other, otherwise the dispenser will open. So you and then break these 3 dispensers on top. That was just for saying. Now on the side, put the 2 blocks of your choice. I chose bedrock so it doesn't break. Then put your pressure plates 1 block further from the lower dispensers. And now finally crouch, take your water and put them on the dispensers. Tap on the dispensers. And the first step is complete. This is actually pretty easy as there are only 2 steps. Alright, so for the next step we're going to need the redstone. So just place 2 redstone away from the dispensers, and then crouch and place redstone on top of the lower dispensers. Then we're going to take 2 repeaters. They both have to be facing opposite sides. So you have to go back and place one and go forward and place one, and then just put a redstone all around it on the sides, and then put another redstone on any other redstone of your choice, connecting it, and place a block of your choice and put a lever. Now this is a bit tricky. You have to switch the lever back and forth really fast once, so that that effect will happen, the repeating effect. And if it doesn't, if this happens and you can't turn it off with the lever, you have to break the redstone and put it back. Oh, I failed this time. Alright, let's try again. Alright, there we go. Now we are going to fill these dispensers up with TNT. I'll see you when we fill them up. Alright, so we filled all the dispensers with TNT. Now all we gotta do is shoot. I've put 3 TNT in each one, so it's gonna last for really long actually. But like with the speed, it's not actually that long. Now we need redstone again, and we're going to go to the top, and now we're going to put the redstone over there so that it'll start shooting, and this whole area is going to be destroyed. Alright, and now we have to quickly put the redstone on top of the upper dispenser so it'll start shooting. And wow, look at that destruction, people. It's like a fountain of TNT. This is like the fastest like TNT dispenser ever. It's the best, like for PvP and all. It's not that like it's mostly close range, but it fires like a machine gun. So this is like incredible. Yeah, I've used this for like many build battles with my friends and all, and it works. Oh, looks like one redstone broke off, but anyways the dispenser's empty, so looks like we're going to turn it off, and there you have it. That is the best TNT cannon ever. Hope you enjoyed.